Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to install the Phoca Cart e-commerce extension along with the Phoca Labs Joomla 5 template on a fresh Joomla 5 installation, all in under 50 seconds. This step-by-step guide will help us quickly get started and test out Phoca Cart's features without any hassle. We'll be installing the following packages: the Phoca Cart core and default module packages, the Phoca Labs template along with its demo data, and finally, the Phoca Cart demo data. Phoca Cart is an intuitive e-commerce solution for Joomla, and this video will get us set up in no time to start exploring its full potential. As you can see, using the ready-made installation packages, a fully functional e-commerce website can be set up in just 50 seconds from a fresh Joomla installation, providing us with a great way to get familiar with Phoca Cart.